Today we're making Greek Easter air fryer turkey souvlaki. It takes about 1 hour and 10 minutes and serves 4 people. Crisp edges, lemon, and oregano. Let's cook. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 2 pounds of turkey breast, cut into 1-inch cubes. Lean and perfect for quick marinating. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. This is the base of our marinade. 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Right acidity for classic Greek flavor. Zest of 1 lemon. Adds aromatic oils and depth. 4 minced garlic cloves. Punchy and savory. 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. Essential Greek herb. 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. A little tang to balance. 1½ teaspoons of kosher salt for seasoning. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Warm spice and bite. 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano for finishing. 1 lemon, cut into wedges, for serving. 8 wooden skewers, soaked for 20 minutes to prevent burning. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Soak 8 wooden skewers in water for 20 minutes so they don't burn in the air fryer. Pat the 2 pounds of turkey breast cubes dry with paper towels so they brown better. Mince 4 garlic cloves and zest 1 lemon finely. In a large bowl, whisk 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, the zest of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, the minced garlic, 2 teaspoons dried oregano, 1½ teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Add the turkey to the bowl and toss well so every piece is coated in the marinade. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for 30 minutes to marinate. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius for 5 minutes. Thread the marinated turkey onto the soaked skewers, shaking off any excess marinade. Arrange the skewers in the air fryer basket in 1 layer, leaving space between them. Air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius for 6 minutes. Flip the skewers and air fry 5 to 6 minutes more until the thickest pieces hit 165 Fahrenheit or 74 Celsius internally. Transfer the skewers to a platter and let them rest for 3 minutes. Sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano over the hot turkey and add 1 lemon cut into wedges to the platter. Serve the skewers hot with the lemon wedges for squeezing. Perfect for Greek Easter. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Greek Easter souvlaki, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more quick recipes.